Hello and welcome to Baking on a Budget. Now this time we're going to make some of this. This is a beautiful, absolutely delicious homemade ice cream. We're going to make the vanilla and we're going to make the chocolate. I've got everything we need to make that over here. Very few ingredients involved here, but it's all over there. I'm going to run through it, tell you exactly what the quantities are and how much this is going to cost. We have 500 ml of double cream at £1.90. We have a tin of condensed milk, which is 397 ml, and that cost me £1. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract at 12 pence, and we're going to use 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder at 36 pence. So the whole recipe is £3.35. We're going to get almost a litre of ice cream out of that, so we're going to get 12 really delicious scoops, making them 28 pence each. Let's get to it. Now this is a really simple recipe. What we're going to do is put that cream into the bowl, and we want to get all of that out. Seriously, this comes together in seconds flat, really, and it makes an absolutely delicious ice cream. So we've got the cream in the bowl. We're just going to beat that with this hand whisk until it goes into a nice stiff peak. We don't want it quite to turn into butter, but we do want it nice and stiff, that's for sure. Right, you can see that stiffened up a bit there. I'm going to give it a little bit more because I do want it to be about as stiff as we can get it. Really nice and stiff at this point. And that will do. Right, I've got the vanilla extract and I'm just going to put, I think I'll put a couple of teaspoons of that in because it will have that beautiful vanilla-y taste to it. Next thing, tin of condensed milk. Whoops, spilling it all over the place. And we just want to get that in there and get a spatula. Get all of that out. That is looking beautiful. So now we just want to combine these two. A couple of ways you could do this. You could fold it in. I'm going to beat it in. It, folks, it's that simple. This is going to be absolutely delicious. And what I'm going to do is half this mixture and put some of it into this container here. I've got about half of it. Right, and that is our beautiful vanilla ice cream. I'm going to put that one in the freezer, and then we'll come back and make this into chocolate ice cream. So here I have cocoa powder, and I'll put a tablespoon of that in, see how it looks. Oh, I think that'll be enough, you know. I'll fold that in, first of all, see how it's looking. If we think it needs a little bit more, we can always give it a little bit more. Now, I haven't said that, it is lightening off a little bit, so I do think I'll put another tablespoon in there and we'll get a nice rich dark chocolate ice cream. There we go. Right, I'll fold this in and then I'll just beat all this together, whisk it all together, make it nice and smooth. And this is fantastic with the golden syrup or the treacle sponge which I made last week. Bit of this on the side of that. Absolutely delicious. We'll just get my whisk back and finish that off. Right, there it is. Look at that. That's marvellous. That's going straight into the tub. And get all of that out of there. Again, flatten that down in the tub. Very good. Lid on that one. Now, these are both going into the freezer and they're going to stay there overnight. Probably get away with about 6 hours, but much better if you leave it overnight. And once this has been left overnight, we're going to come back and we're going to have a taste of both of these. Okay, these have been in the freezer for overnight. And look at this, this is going to be absolutely beautiful. Somebody's already had a scoop out of there. But that's the chocolate one. And we have the vanilla one. Beautiful homemade ice cream. Okay, I'm going to take a scoop of each of these and we are going to do a taste test. If this is a little bit tough coming out of the freezer, you could always leave it in the fridge for half an hour beforehand. Right, that's the vanilla. And we'll have a scoop of the chocolate as well. Look at them. Fantastic. Okay folks, homemade ice cream. This looks absolutely delicious. I'll try some of the vanilla to begin with. That is fabulous. That is absolutely fabulous. Really creamy. Marvellous. Very, very simple to make and absolutely delicious. You could have this with apple pie or on the side of a cake or pudding or something like that. Superb, look at it. It's stiffened up really nicely in the freezer. Try some of the chocolate. That's rich, bitter chocolate. You would have to go a long way to find an ice cream as good quality as that, I've got to say. And as you've seen, it takes about 5 minutes to make and 28 pence a scoop. And just as an aside, another thing which I'm going to try is this. This is a mango flavoured sort of puree, sort of baby food type of stuff. If I take some of this in the vanilla ice cream before it's frozen, I can squirt some of that in and it would be like a mango swirl ice cream. And I think that would be delicious as well. So many options with this, very simple recipe. So there it is, homemade ice cream. If you've enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, making very simple homemade food, always delicious, always on a budget, then do consider subscribing to the channel. In the meantime, I'm going to finish off the rest of this most delightful and delicious ice cream. And next week, with Easter coming up, we're having hot cross buns. I'm going to make some hot cross buns for Easter next week. So if you would like to see that, as I said, do subscribe to the channel. And in the meantime, I thank you very much for watching.